Alright, let's go ahead and ride this thingamajig or whatever.
Wait.
Yeah, teamwork for the win. Yeah, teamwork, open the door and everything. Food the switches down. Fuck that shit. Yeah, let me go and unequip that so I can get a better view instead of that bullshit thermal shit view.
Leave it to me, Leon.
That's what I'm afraid of. Wow, did her father buy her fucking construction vehicles to play with? Cause that's amazing how she just get up on it and she just know how to use it. Shit. That's amazing.
Behind us!
Okay, you're driving, so pay attention to that, you dumb broad. I'm looking back, I got them. I'll punch you! Oh, buddy, no grabbing. No grabbing. Holy crap, I'm out of ammo. Or out of handgun ammo. Time for old shotgun power. Well, I don't really need any more sniper ammo, but it's welcome though. Oh, but I pulled it out and sniped the truck. Wow. Yeah, we're gonna put out old shotty. Oh, I see. I gotta watch out for that next time. Holy shit. Did that truck just start back up while on fire? Won't be getting back up from that. But damn, it just, man, that engine should just blowed up, man. That whole motherfucker just blowed up. That carburetor should have been on fire and shit, man. That whole engine should have just melted.
I'm leaving it to you.
Yeah, leave everything to me. I can look that up. Still got you. Man, Herb, come up here. What the? Hell, don't chase after her, chase after me. That's hassle. Besides, I'm tired of protecting her anyway. What the? Dang, what happened to him? He just... about to bump into a wall. Whoa, buddy. Whoa. God dang it. Okay, I got him. Oh, I got two. Only aim for that dude in the back. And we're gonna grab this shit before she get attacked. Uh-oh, here they come. Kind of hard to see with Leon with the camera like that. That's with the camera. Oh yeah, I do gotta watch out for those dudes sitting up on them platforms, shit, jumping on the truck. Where are you? I'm going to see you. I see you. I see you too. Any more? I know there's more. Where are you? There you go. Yeah. I love this shotgun. 2 for 1. Get off this truck. What are you screaming for? Oh. Well, good that you scream. Now I know that they're there. I thought that'd be like on the floor. God dang it, get off the truck. Or whatever the hell this thing is. Get off. Ah, damn. I'm gonna pop it. You don't even see it. You say it's come right at us, you don't even see it. Oh, run! Yeah, nice driving right into the wall. You could have got me killed, you dumb broad. And look at it, you total poor little thingamajiggy. I feel sorry for it. My condolences to the family. The second one of the 3. Just need one more.
Welcome. What are you buying? What are you selling?
You don't have anything for sale.
Is that all? Thank you. Is that all? Thank you. Come back, Eddie.
Yeah, once I fully upgrade Leon, I'm gonna start selling those right there.
Time.
You like that's extra income right there for the end. Good, he come to take her away. Thank you for taking her away, cause I don't like her anyway. You can keep her though. Yeah, be sure to keep her this time. Be sure of that. Anything right there? No. Okay, memo. Don't want to read it. Oh, the American Nazi. Okay. Crawler. Let's call him Krauser. Y'all. Krauser. Yeah, that's his name. Krauser. Yeah. But I'm gonna call him Crawley, man. No, not Crawley, man. I'm calling him Nazi Crawley American faker dude. Okay, no, that's too long. Gotta keep it simple. What should I call him? Oh, I missed. What should I call him? I'm gonna call him Crawley. It's not even simple. Crawley. Crawley the American Nazi. Okay, you're just gonna sit there and watch your buddy die? But then again, with a guy like that with a fucking gas man with barbed wire on his face, can't expect much from them type of people. Uh-oh. I know this part. I hope I don't get killed.